Today we are going to make a video of class 3 hands-on computer chapter 4 touch typing play with text editor. Touch typing is a method of typing in which the typist type without looking at the keyboard. It is very important chapter. Anyone want to learn about typing? See this video carefully. Touch typing can improve or increase the typing speed. Besides, it's also about adopting healthy computer habits to reduce the risk of injury. Touch typing is the ability to type fast without having to look at the keyboard. You will type without looking at the keyboard. A step to be followed. Know the home keys. You should know home keys. This is guide for anyone using a QWERTY keyboard. Here you should learn and read several times. Then you will be able to know about left hand pinky, left hand ring, left hand middle, left hand index, right hand middle, right hand ring, right hand pinky. Always remember that the home keys are very important if you wish to learn the touch typing. Here pointer finger. Anyone want to write this thing? They may pause the video and you are able to write anything. Practice makes a man perfect. Practice makes a man perfect. Here you should use this type of proverb. Index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little or pinky finger. Here this is index finger. Here this is middle finger. This is ring finger. And this one is little or pinky finger. Keep this thing in mind. Do you know, if you have a lot of numbers to enter, we should learn to use the numeric keypad, which is typically located to the right of a standard keyboard. One must ensure that numeric lock is on before using this. You may pause the video and you are able to write answer. Assessment activity, simple thing you may write. This is my humble submission to my humble viewers. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for science, computer, mathematics and yoga videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.